juggling personal projects, freelance gigs, and maybe even a side hustle on top of your day job? We've all been there. That's where project management tools come in, promising to be the hero that swoops in and saves the day. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? ClickUp's name might be a mouthful, but it's quickly becoming a popular choice for its versatility and range of features. But before you dive headfirst, there's an important question. Is the free ClickUp plan enough for you? Specifically, how many workspaces can you have on ClickUp free? Let's break down what ClickUp offers in its free tier and see if it can become your organizational command center. Workspaces, your ClickUp universe. Think of ClickUp's workspaces as your own personal galaxies within the ClickUp universe. Each workspace can hold a bunch of stars, projects, which are further divided into constellations, lists, and planets, tasks. It's a cosmic way to organize everything that matters to you. The good news? ClickUp's free plan lets you create as many workspaces as you want. That's right, you can have a workspace for your freelance writing, another for your personal goals, and a completely separate one for that passion project you're finally tackling. This flexibility is a major advantage, especially if you like to compartmentalize your life. No more messy cross-contamination between your work and personal projects. Each workspace can be a self-contained world, keeping things focused and organized. But there's always a catch, isn't there? Now, before you get too excited and start creating a workspace for every passing fancy, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the number of workspaces is unlimited, there are limitations on what you can do within each one on the free plan. Here are some key restrictions to be aware of. List and folder limits. Each workspace on the free plan has a cap of 100 lists and 100 folders. This might be enough for simple projects, but if you're a list-making maniac, you might run out of space sooner than later. Limited automation. Automation is a powerful ClickUp feature that can save you tons of time. Unfortunately, the free plan only offers basic automation functionality. Storage restrictions. Free plans come with limited storage space, which could be an issue if you're dealing with large files. So, when should you consider upgrading? If you find yourself constantly bumping up against the limitations of the free plan, it might be time to consider upgrading. Upgrading unlocks features like more lists and folders. Breathe a sigh of relief. Paid plans offer significantly higher limits on the number of lists and folders you can create. Advanced automation. Automate repetitive tasks and workflows to free yourself up for more strategic work. Increase storage. No more worrying about running out of space for all your important files. Team collaboration features. Upgrade to collaborate seamlessly with teammates, assign tasks, and track progress. ClickUp's free plan offers a robust and versatile project management experience. With unlimited workspaces, you can organize your life into neat compartments, keeping everything separate and focused. However, limitations on features like automation, storage, and list/folder creation might leave you wanting more if you have complex projects or need to collaborate with a team. ClickUp's free plan is a fantastic way to test the waters and see if it fits your workflow. If you're a freelancer, student, or someone with a few personal projects to juggle, the free plan might be all you need. But if you have more complex needs or crave advanced features, upgrading might be the way to go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.